In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in today's projects, I am going to be using dollar store materials, and I'm going to be creating some really cute and fun outdoor party decor, and I'm going to be really creating some nice custom pieces. So if you want to see how these decor pieces turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So for this piece of the decor, it's really easy. I just grabbed one of the large cooler bins from the dollar store and some sticker letters, and I just put in a really cute catchphrase on the front of it. And one other idea is to seal these letters, maybe with some Mod Podge or something after you stick them on, just so when the ice goes into the bucket, it'll last a little bit longer. And so for this piece of the decor, I'm continuing the theme of let's chill. And so I'm creating some custom napkins, and I pulled out my Cricut for this part of the decor. And so it's really an easy way and cute way to create some custom napkins. The only issue that I had, which I haven't figured out a better way to do it, is when you transfer the vinyl to the napkins, trying to get the vinyl to stay on the napkins and getting the transfer paper off of the napkins is a little difficult, but after all, it did turn out pretty good. And for this piece of the decor, I'm going to be upgrading one of those clear acrylic trays from the dollar store. So the first thing that I did is I grabbed some cardstock that I already had, and I'm just measuring it so that I can cut it so that I can use that as the insert or the base of what the tray is going to be. Then I grabbed the same sticker letters that I used for the cooler, and I'm putting that on top of the cardstock. And then I'm sealing the paper and the sticker letters with Mod Podge. And here I am just adding some decorations to it. So I'm adding some glitter. And then I remembered I had these flowers that pretty much are dried out. Like they're pretty much done. So I decided to cut some of the flowers off of this bouquet and flatten them to add to the tray as well. Mixing the resin to add to the base of the tray. so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.